Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a modification on my 2007 GSXR 600. So I'm going to be installing a relocation kit for my rectifier because it burnt out. My rectifier burnt out because the stock, for those of you who don't know, placed between the exhaust manifold and the radiator. So if you think about it, whenever you're riding, especially, it died on me while I was in traffic, so it makes sense. But after a while, you know, after heat between those two things, it burns out. It's a known problem, Gixxers. So yeah, I'm gonna relocate it, and it's gonna be going. So basically, gonna be taking that off, and then the relocation kit is actually gonna be going right here. That way, it gets mounted there. So it will be showing, but in the long run, it is better. We will also be installing my brand new plastics that arrived. So figured might as well, since I'm gonna be taking off the fairings anyway. So we're gonna be installing the new fairings. First things first is that I'm gonna just take off my fairings because it will make it easier to reach the area I need to work on. Plus, I'm gonna be changing these anyways. So yeah. You don't need to do this for the rectifier. I'm just go ahead and taking off all of my fairings since I'm going to be replacing them anyway. So it doesn't. First time taking off the fairings, so I'm just making sure that I'm not. Oh, there we go. That's off. Just this bottom one. So this bottom one has one of those darn push things that I hate. See right there? I don't even know what they're called, but I hate them. He's trying to get the slider off on the other side where it makes it open. Because I'm not strong enough. It's on there like really, really tight. Okay, so I finally got it off. This one was a biatch to get off. So I accidentally broke this part, but that could be replaced, right? Because then these are still good.
Yeah.
It's off! We have to remove the fuel tank. That's gonna be fun. These two, there's one on each side. Alright, so now we need to remove the air box. This is how I have held up my gas tank. Seems to be working. You have to remove this bolt and then these three sensors right here. Alright, so as you can see, I got that bolt out. I unplugged all three sensors. And here we go, the next step. Alright, so next, there are two hoses. So there's one right here. Oh my god, what is on here? That is disgusting. But this one was right there. Same thing. Just pinch the clip and pull it off. We're gonna remove this clip. That way you can stick your screwdriver through the frame and get that screwdriver, or that screw out right there that is keeping this connected. Dang it. I need a longer one. Okay, finally found a long enough screwdriver after like 15 minutes of looking all over the garage. So now, and guess what? We get to do it on the other side too. All right, so I had to have my husband come out and help me get it the rest of the way off. So like I said, oh, you scratched it. All right, so we got the air box off. Now we need to unclip these two, that way we can get the old rectifier off. That was easier. So I can't freaking grip it with my nails. I forgot to hit record. I apologize. But just bolted right there. I mean, it's pretty obvious. It was these two bolts right here were connected through there. It was in there. Unbolt it. Once you get those two plugs undone, it will allow you to take it out. So before it was on the inside and the cords went up like that, the plugs. But now that it's gonna be on the outside, we're gonna be putting these this way. Otherwise they won't even reach. So it was over here going, and the cords were going up there, but now we're mounting it here and going through there. And then gotta plug these two back in. Rectifier.
Actually, we might have. I just realized those screws are touching the frame.
If you look, that bolt is touching my frame. So we're gonna swap to where the nuts are on the, the nuts are on the outside. All right, so we got the new, oh God, I almost fell. The new rectifiers on. We got it all plugged in, all mounted. Not symmetrical, but this, this bolt was digging into my frame, so I just swapped it. Now I have to put the air box back on.
Make sure your cables are out of the way. And you should feel it kind of seat over them.
So you remember how you stuck your screwdriver through this hole on both sides when we were removing the air box? All right, that's done. Put back the puzzle. So we need to put this back. We need to re-plug in all of these. Snug like a glove. Just pinch the little thing again. Then we have the hose that was down in there. So that's gonna be a pain in the butt to get to. Probably should have done that before I put the air box on, but you know. Oh, it just slides up right on. All right. Air box secured. All right, now we can put the fuel tank back in. Put down. Now we're gonna be putting on the fairings, but the new ones.